Sometimes we just need some help, and we just want to be able to pick up the phone and ask for some help. And I don't mean help with regards to, you know, can't read this document because it's unclear, but proper genuine help. Somebody who's going to muck in, get their hands dirty and resolve things for us, because perhaps people aren't listening to us. And they can be, the estate agents are our eyes. Okay, they're our eyes and our ears on the ground. And what on earth do I mean by that? They're the first ones to see the property. So they will notice things that perhaps we should be aware of. Okay. Sometimes they'll call me up and say, Zoe, you know what? We've got this property going through. There's a right of way around the back. You know, I'm not quite sure about the maintenance because it's in a bit of a state. Could you just tell me what's going on here? Okay. Fantastic. I already know when I go to sell that property, therefore I need to look at the passageways a little bit more carefully. Okay, so they will give us things sometimes that will help us do our job. All right, if something doesn't quite look right, they can clarify the position for me. One of the examples I can give you is that in the inquiries, one of the solicitors was getting a little bit upset because nobody would answer their question on a right of way. And it's because the seller's solicitor was going, what are you talking about? I don't see a right of way on the plans. And they weren't really talking to each other, and they were getting in a bit of a pickle, and things were getting held up. And in the end, we phoned up the estate agent and said, you know, look, what is, or the seller's solicitor, sorry, phoned up the estate agent and said, look, you know, what's going on here? You know, I can't see it on the legal documents. Where's the right of way? What are they talking about? And she went, oh, I know what that is. The fence was down on the photo. When we took the photo, the fence had fallen down. We took it anyway and was resolved to go back to take another photo, but it sold so quick. By the time we got the fence up, the house had sold. So we never took another photo and replaced it on the website. So because the fencing panel was down, the buyer's solicitors had assumed that there was a right of way somewhere that wasn't marked on the plans. Easily rectified, job sorted, all carried on.